Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Gavin or Born Type here, coming at you guys with another video. Today we got another unboxing from Nike again. This box is kind of scaring me though, so I'm gonna cover this. Look here, there's like a small label here, and then tape, and then here's the actual like UPS label, and it's ripped and retaped without the Just Do It tape. So you already know. We're gonna see what's going on in here. Never had this happen to me before. It's kind of weird. And like, I know my UPS driver is mad cool with me because I order a shit ton of stuff. So, and he like, it was raining outside. He even put it in a bag for me. He's mad cool. Definitely just close that one. Okay, I think we're good. I mean, nothing's... Damn, they shoved this in a box. Literally, it just like fits perfectly. Okay, I guess... there's a tiny bit of box damage, but not that bad. I'm just gonna take it out like this. Okay, so I already took off the top. Yeah, you can see there's like a little line there. Not terrible. I already took off the top, but let's geez, it was really weird. The paper's like all, there's the it's all like all fucked up. Okay, well, it's the New York City to Paris, or Paris to New York City, I don't know. Smells like normal Jordan 1. Are these like... I can't tell, but something just seems weird about this package. There's like a little dirt spot there. Let's see if there's any sock liner. Yeah, look, there's like sock liner on the insole. This is not, you see it? Huh. Weird. They're already starting to, there's a little factory flaw there too. Right there. But I mean, this is a dope shoe, to be honest. I really like these laces too. The lace options, some sick lace options. Okay, let's give it a quick review. Leather, I don't really like this leather. Travis's leather is mad nice. This, not too nice. But then again, they're SBs, so I mean, I guess it's not like the same leather material. I don't know if that's just how it's supposed to be or not. But oh shit! And there's like, wait, does the toe box change color? I don't know, but there's like a little mark there. Okay, let's check out the other shoe. Hopefully this one's not fucked up. Okay, this one looks nice. There we go. This is honestly a sick shoe. Sick shoe. Smells so, I love the smell of Jordan 1s. This is nice. I really like these. Really like these. Clean sole too. They're nice. So you guys need to let me know down in the comment section below. Do you guys want me to distress these? I'm most likely going to keep these for the personal because I love Jordan 1s. But do you guys want me to distress these? If you guys want me to distress these, leave it down in the comments below and I will make a video in the future. But only if you guys want me to, because if not, I'll probably wear them and try to skate them. But yeah, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this quick little video of the Nike SB New York City to Paris, or Paris New York City. I forgot the actual correct way to say it. But yeah, very nice shoe. Definitely let me know down below if you guys want me to stress it. But yeah, this has been Gavin. We're Born Hype, and I'm out. Peace.